Welcome to the forge. You need to go down some steps here, but there is actually access for less able from over there, and you can see there's a ramp up to the bedroom. We have a bedroom that's fitted out for people with mobility difficulties, and you can get in through the French doors there. If you do feel like cooking, you can help yourself to our herbs there. And that's where we sit and have morning coffee sometimes. So I'll take you into the forge apartment. So again, a fully equipped kitchen with an oven, grill, microwave, dishwasher and a fridge, and all the crockery and pots and pans you might want. But again, please do let me know if there's something you want that we haven't got, and we'll be able to sort that out for you. Sitting room with a cosy area by the fire. Again, a TV with Netflix, and both apartments have Bluetooth radios, so you can listen to your own music while you're here. Welcome pack from Merson Farm again, and a bottle of wine, and this is where you can sit and have your dinner. But again, Anne Roberts Crane Cottage Bakery is very happy to provide you with evening meals. If you feel like playing games, there are plenty of games up in the boxes above, and some books about wildlife and the things you might see while you're here. The pictures in this room are pretty much all of the old house, and in its various incarnations, and pictures from the workshop before it was emptied from the build. So I'll take you through to each of the bedrooms. So first, Harbour Bedroom, clues in the lane. It overlooks the harbour and has views of Bulben. In fact, the toilet has the best views of Bulben. I'll show that. Anyway, this room at the moment is made up of 2 single beds, but all the beds are zipper linked, so we can make them up either a super king size or twin, depending on what you want. Small books in case you can't sleep, although nobody's complaining not being able to sleep. And then, so the views look across the harbour, and you can see Bulben in all its glory there. Let's go and have a look at the garden bedroom, which is next door. So this is the room. It's slightly bigger, so if you are using a wheelchair, you would be able to use this room. Again, bed is made up at the moment as super king size, but can be taken apart for 2 singles. It's got French doors leading out onto the coffee or patio area, and looks over the garden. And then we have a wet room in here. So again, it's wheelchair accessible, and there are grab rails. So this apartment sleeps 4 people, very comfortably, lots of space. Children in particular seem to enjoy rolling around the floor, and they can make as much noise as they like because we can't hear them.